Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride. You're now off to visit the world's tallest man-made waterfall in an aviary. To your left, the Birds of Prey aviary, housing some of the world's most amazing stunt flyers and powerful hunters, like the eagles and vultures. Catch more of these birds at the Kings of the Skies at the Hawk Walk. The Bird Discovery Center. Here, we conduct scheduled tours, display bird eggs, feathers, bones, and many others. Learn more about birds and their habits. Home to the world's flightless birds, the ostrich, cassowary, rhea, and the emu. These birds are non-flyers, but can leap up to 7 feet high. Your family can also visit the Dino Dig for an archaeological experience and be a paleontologist for a day. Flightless birds, like the dodo bird of Mauritius, are extinct today due to the cruelty of mankind, environmental hazards, and the lack of breeding and conservation programs. We all need to play our part for the next generation of wildlife to survive. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching the most spectacular and the world's tallest man-made waterfall in an aviary, home to a wide variety of African birds and the African Waterfall Aviary. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at the African Waterfall Aviary Station. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on board. Let us continue our exciting journey where colors live. Look at the swans at the Swan Lake, where we can observe the graceful swans closely. See them glide across the water with no effort at all. To your right, the pelicans. We have 7 species of pelicans at the Pelican Cove. Look at their beaks. They're huge, aren't they? They have a pouch that can hold 13 liters of water. The pelican makes sure that it empties its beak before it flies. Otherwise, it will be too heavy to take off. Catch Pelican Chit Chat at 2 p.m. daily at the Pelican Cove. Perhaps no other birds are as elegant and graceful as the lovely flamingos. The lodge on Flamingo Lake commands a breathtaking view of flocks of foraging flamingos. It's an extremely popular dining venue for weddings, parties, exclusive seminars, and even team building programs with these pink ladies in attendance. Enjoying your ride with us? Do continue your journey on foot when you alight. Grab a map, watch the shows, take photos, and buy mementos at Feathers and our other gift shops. Feeling hungry? Grab a bite at the Bongo Burgers restaurant or dine at the Hop Cafe, situated at the entrance.
昔ね、多いモノレールがあった。でももう、休止。
Now get ready for big splashes of fun in our Burgundy water playground, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Gear up for a massive soaking experience under the giant tipping bucket and birds of play.
10時ワシのショーこっち
To your left, the Hawk Walk. Gear up and catch the Kings of the Skies shows at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Dare and sign up to be a falconer to get even closer to these birds.